Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Turbotax Intuit account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Actually, it's pretty easy to log into your Turbotax account. First, open up a web browser of your choice and type in the search bar turbotax.intuit.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Then once you end up in this official site of Turbotax, click on the sign in button in the upper right corner of this page. After that, type in your phone number, email or user ID into the login area. If you don't have an account yet, click on this create an account link and follow the instructions. After filling all of your details, click on this sign in button and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.